Welcome to Fix Your Apps, and in this video, I will show you how to fix community standards on Facebook Messenger so you can understand the issue and send a proper report to Facebook. This guide will help you check possible causes and submit a clear request for review. Now let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open your browser app because you need to search for information directly from Facebook. Tap on the search bar and type Facebook Community Standards, which will take you to the official page where Facebook explains what is allowed and what is not. Step 2. Open the Community Standards page from the search results. Then slowly review the details to understand what may have caused the issue. This page contains important explanations about behavior, posts, messages, or actions that might lead to a temporary restriction. Step 3. If you do not find any violation or anything unusual mentioned, go back to your home screen and open the Messenger app. This helps you begin the process of sending a technical report directly through Messenger. Step 4. Tap on the 3 lines icon at the bottom right, then tap on the settings option to open it. This is where Facebook keeps options for account controls, security, and reporting tools. Step 5. Scroll down the menu until you find the Report Technical Problem option, then open it and tap on Report Anyway. This allows you to contact Facebook even if the app detects no immediate issue. Step 6. Select the Don't Include option, then type a short message such as, "I have not done anything to receive a community guidelines issue on my account. Please help me recover my account." You can also add a screenshot if you want to show what the problem looks like. Step 7. Once everything looks correct, tap Send to submit your report to Facebook. Your request will be reviewed and you may receive a response depending on the situation. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.